In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and convenient it is to approve the digital plans for your Lab Pronto orders. Now, this process is the same for pretty much every Lab Pronto order that you place, whether you're taking advantage of a free surgical guide offer as you see on screen right now, or if you're ordering a complete clear aligner package, or many of our other offers and services that we have accessible via labpronto.com. So the ordering process starts on labpronto.com. You could browse the relevant categories and products. Really, you could order anything that you need for your dental practice at unbeatable prices. You place the order simply by completing the short prescription form, attaching the relevant data, and the order is placed. Now, once the digital plan is complete, it will be sent to you for approval. You'll receive an email and a text message that looks something like this. It has all the relevant data, and when you scroll down, you'll have a variety of different buttons. Just go ahead and click View the Digital Plan and Files in Online Viewer. For a surgical guide case, for example, you'll receive something that looks like this. You have the 3D view option that shows the complete case, the implant placed, and the surgical guide designed and ready to go. In addition, you could switch to other relevant files, such as the drilling report, similar to what you see on screen now. On the bottom of the screen, you have an Approve Plan button and a Send Message button. If everything looks good and you would like to send the order for manufacturing, simply click on Approve Plan. If you have any questions or comments, click on Send Message. A dialog box will open on screen. You could type your message and send it directly to us at Lab Pronto. For an aligner case, you will also receive the online viewer where you could see the files, you could see the tooth movement step by step, and in addition, you could access other relevant files on the left-hand side of the screen as well. So you could switch to see a video of the teeth movement. We have the video appear several different orientations. And in addition, there's an orthodontics case report which is visible on screen as well. Once again, you have the two buttons on the bottom of the screen to approve a plan or to send us a message, a question, or a comment regarding your case. Returning to the email notification that we discussed previously, you could see there are additional options as well. There's an option to download the plan if you like to open it directly in the Blue Sky Plan software, and then you have an Approve Plan button directly from within the email. So once you review the case in Blue Sky Plan, if you prefer to do so, you could go ahead and click on Approve Plan right here. In addition, you could access your clinical dashboard in Lab Pronto by clicking on your name on the top of the screen and choosing the option for order history. Here you could see the status of all your jobs, and you have various buttons to open the case in the viewer, to download the files, to see the status of the previous order, and to perform the next relevant steps for the particular order. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. The contact number is available in the header and footer of the Lab Pronto website.